DK. How can I help? Rory the garden bird. Francis Rodgers and Ben Grisdale. DK. Penguin Random House. Hello, my name is Rory. I am a garden bird and I need your help. Let me visit your garden for food and water. I like to drink and wash in water. Please give me a bird bath. I like to eat bird seed in the summer. Keep water full and fresh. I like to eat bowls of food in the winter. Melt water, frozen. I also like to eat bugs and flies, so please plant flowers to attract them. Trees are good for food and I'll feel safe in them. Please give me a home in your trees. Rubbish in your garden can be a danger to me. Please keep your garden tidy. Please do not use nets in your garden. I can get stuck in them. Please keep your bird feeders and baths clean to stop me getting poorly. Hot water. Thank you for all your help. Why do we need to protect house sparrows? Rory is a type of bird called a house sparrow. House sparrows live in busy places like towns and cities, in nests, bushes, holes, and even in gaps in buildings. Unfortunately, these sparrows are endangered, which means that one day we may not see them anymore. It is not just house sparrows that are at risk, but other types of sparrows are also in trouble. That is why we all need to do what we can to help these little animals. Where in the world? House sparrows were first found in Europe and parts of Asia and northern Africa, but they have been House sparrows were first found in Europe and parts of Asia and northern Africa, but they have since been introduced to other parts of the world. These feathered friends can now be found on every continent except Antarctica. Male sparrow. Gray patch on its head. Gray patch on its head. Streaky brown. Streaky brown. Black and gray feathers on its back. Light brown or gray coloring on its tummy. A house sparrow can be up to 15 centimeters from beak to tail. That is roughly the same length as a banknote. Female sparrow. A black or brown and short and chunky beak. Brown feathers all over. Pale brown coloring on its tummy. When open, its wings can be 21 to 25 centimeters long. That is around the size of a football. Can you spot house sparrows where you live? Garden birds around the world. There are lots of different garden birds in the world, as well as the house sparrow. Here are just a few that can be found. North America, blue jay, woodpecker, American goldfinch. South America, great kiskadee. UK, blue tit, starling, robin. Europe, magpie, greenfinch. Asia, black-napped oriole, Indian roller, zebra dove. Africa, variable sunbirds, laughing palm dove, crested barbet. Australasia, rainbow lorikeets. Can you see any of us in your garden? About the Austrian illustrator. Ben and Francis are husband and wife, and they live in Newcastle upon Tyne, England. They are passionate about helping the wildlife in their garden. In the middle of a summer's night, Francis woke with an idea to create books to encourage young children to do the same. Francis wrote the books and Ben illustrated them, and they brought to life Rory the hedgehog, Rory the garden bird, Rosie the bumblebee, and Roxy the butterfly. Everything you need to know about helping your favorite garden guests. Rory is a small, inquisitive bird who loves to visit gardens, including yours. While there is a lot of food and water for Rory to enjoy, your garden can also be dangerous. From stinky rubbish to hungry cats, Rory needs your help to stay safe. Part of an inspiring series, Rory the Garden provides little ones with all the tips and tricks they need to help keep our feathered friends safe in the garden. DK, for the curious. FSC TM, 6.99 pounds, printed in China. ISBN 978-0-2415 34496 978-024-153-496.